Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. Today we're addressing a common question. Can car tires be repaired? Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Let's get started. So can car tires be repaired? The short answer is yes, but it depends on the type and extent of the damage. For minor issues like small punctures in the tread area, a simple plug or patch job can work wonders. However, if the sidewall is damaged or the tire has a large gash, repair is usually not recommended. Repairing a tire involves either using a plug to fill a hole or a patch to seal a larger area. Some mechanics use a combination of both. It's crucial to consult professionals for tire repairs because a faulty repair can be dangerous. So to sum up, minor tread punctures can often be repaired, but severe damage usually means you'll need a new tire. Always consult a professional to make the right choice. That wraps it up for today. If you found this information useful, give this video a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, drive safe.